this is how to delete a project in MongoDB Atlas. So in your Atlas dashboard, you have your organization, and click your organization, and you will be presented with a list of your projects. And let's try to delete this one, CRM dashboard. Just click this trash icon and type your project name and click delete project. And if you have a cluster inside your project, you need to delete that cluster first in order to delete your project. So let's go to all clusters and let's click our project 0 with 1 cluster. And click this 3 dots here and click terminate. And we will type cluster 0 and click terminate. Wait for your cluster to shut down. Once your cluster is terminated, go back to your organization name, and then you can delete your project. Let's type our project name and delete the project. So this is how to delete a project in MongoDB Atlas.